Hello YouTube, we're gonna do the Art+Sound Bluetooth speaker update, and this one is connected to my Android because this one's the Android version. Because I bought two of these Art+Sound Bluetooth speakers. This one's the iPhone version, so this one I connected to my Android. So I bought a second one to connect to my Android. And we're gonna use the same song, Rolling Sky, Sunset Glory. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and let's play the song. So I definitely like this Art+Sound Bluetooth speaker because it sounds like it has like the mix of bass, mid-range, and treble, because like most Bluetooth speakers will have more bass, which will take out the mid-range and treble, like distort them. But I think at high values this will sound a little distorted, but otherwise the Art+Sound Bluetooth speaker sounds pretty great. I will highly recommend. Plus I bought two that I told you earlier before I started the music, because I bought one for the pair with the iPhone I'm using now, and one to pair with my Android I have. I loved it. I would highly recommend the Art+Sound Bluetooth speaker. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of a new video when I make, and I'll catch you in the next one.